Using state-of-the-art machinery, the sugarcane is efficiently chopped and loaded for
A continuous stream of sugarcane is delivered to the state-of-the-art factory, ensuring peak efficiency.
The process begins as fresh sugarcane arrives at the refinery. These massive trucks carry the
The sugarcane is rapidly conveyed into the shredder, where high-speed blades tear the stalks into fine fibers.
After harvesting, the sugarcane is shredded into fibers, known as bagasse, which then move rapidly through the chute.
The first stage of processing involves these massive high-tech rollers which crush the sugarcane in stalk.
The process begins as the raw sugarcane fibers are loaded onto the belts. High-tech sensors ensure
Stage, where the lime solution is added to the sugarcane juice, beginning the purification process.
Freshly crushed sugarcane juice, rich in sucrose, is pumped into these evaporators, where the boiling process begins.
Here in the separation stage, the vibrant juice is extracted from the fibers, flowing into these massive vats for purification.
the raw sugarcane juice is vigorously heated and clarified in these massive vats, creating the thick, golden
In this stage, the golden syrup is vigorously churned in large stainless steel mixers, preparing it for the final stages of
In the heart of the factory, the purified syrup is concentrated in large evaporators, becoming a rich, viscous liquid.
Here, the raw sugar crystals are washed with a golden syrup to begin the refining process. Next, the brown sugar granules are fed into these mixers, where they are combined with a warm, dark syrup to separate impurities.
The sugar is now purified and dried, ready to be stored in these massive vats before packaging.
After crystallization, the raw sugar is washed and sent through large centrifuges, then dried and sifted through powerful vibrating screens to
The refined sugar is then analyzed for purity in a sterile environment before being packaged.
Under the microscope, the refined sugar crystals reveal their precise geometric structure. The refined sugar cascades into these massive vats, ready for packaging and distribution. The refined sugar granules are then transported by conveyor belt to the forming machinery, where they are precisely pressed into cubes. Centrifuged and dried, the pure white sugar cascades into this massive hopper, ready for the final stages.
In the final stage, high-speed robotic arms utilize heat-sealing technology to ensure the freshness and purity.
After crystallization, the raw sugar is refined and thoroughly mixed in large vats to ensure purity and consistency.
Here in the bagging station, advanced machines precisely fill and seal the industrial sacks, preparing the sugar for distribution.
After crystallization, the refined sugar is packaged. Here, an advanced printer applies high-resolution labels to the bags moving rapidly along the conveyor.
The automated scanning tunnel uses precise laser technology to ensure every bag meets the highest quality standards.
Once the sugar is boxed, the automated system wraps each pallet tightly in plastic film, preparing it for transport.
Highly automated systems ensure
Here in the automated warehouse, precision lasers scan each pallet, meticulously tracking the finished sugar before it is distributed.
forklifts transport the freshly packaged sugar to the massive storage aisles before distribution.
From the factory floor, the finished product is carefully packaged and delivered to supermarkets across the nation.
After extensive processing, the sugarcane is refined into various products, including this rich brown sugar, ready for the consumer. After extensive processing, the sugarcane is transformed into the refined sugar products we see here on the shelves.
Once processed and packaged, the sugar is distributed to supermarkets worldwide, ready for the consumer.
Once processed and refined, the sugar is packaged efficiently, ready for supermarket shelves across the globe.
Packaged in modern, clean facilities, the refined sugar is ready for purchase, maintaining the highest quality standards.
The refined white sugar cubes are a popular choice for their precise measurements.
Advanced processing ensures a clean, high-quality product, efficiently delivered to shelves worldwide.
The refined sugar is carefully packaged and prepared for transport in the high-tech warehouse.
Look, this one is sustainably sourced.
Oh, perfect. Let's get this one then.
Once processed and packaged, the sugar is shipped to supermarkets, completing its journey from field to shelf.
After meticulous processing and quality checks, the refined sugar is packaged and shipped to supermarkets across the globe.
The refined sugar is now ready for use, showcasing the efficiency of the modern processing plant.
Once refined and crystallized, the pure white sugar is carefully sealed.
White sugar undergoes further refining, removing the molasses, while brown sugar retains it, giving it a distinct color and richer flavor.
Once refined, the sugar is ready for use, expertly blended here in a high-tech stand mixer.
After the crystallization process, the sugar is separated. The molasses is removed to produce the fine white crystals you see here.
The refining process results in the pure sucrose crystals you see here, packaged and ready for the consumer.
The final step in the journey sees the refined sugar arriving in stores, ready for consumers.